Hey everyone, welcome to the Sports Map. Today I just want to do a very quick taste test of these Sour Patch Oreos. Sounds like a very weird combo. Limited edition, just, found them the other day, so thought it'd be right to give them a taste test. You can already smell the sourness off the box for anything. Smells off the cookies, and you see the little colors. Hard to see with this camera. There's a few little colors in them. Okay, just here's how cookies when you get the sour piece in it. It's sour on the aftertaste, but I'm saying I wouldn't know if I'd eat this as my first choice, but if someone wants this combo, it's just a weird combo, sweet and sour, that I don't think works in my book. Yeah, to summarize it, not my first choice, but you can see why others would like it. That's my review for this time. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share, and help get this video up to 200 likes. Thank you.